John Locke stated that every step the mind takes in its progress towards knowledge makes some discovery, which is not only new, but the best too, for the time at least. Humanities gives us the ability to make progress in human understanding, not just studying how the world works, but how we as humans see the world in different ways. Have you ever wondered about the historical events that led you to be here in Fort Collins, or wanted to get to know and understand another culture? Maybe you've always been interested in trying to understand the complex economic systems that govern our everyday lives. We do not exist in isolation. We are part of a bigger whole. Our community expands beyond us, our friends, our family, our city, and even time to the world around us. Humanities at Compass will give us the opportunity to explore the complex network of systems which make up our world. We will investigate the hows and whys of historical events, geographical phenomena, economic crises, and political happenings to draw a clear picture of the world around us, but more importantly, to appreciate the multiple perspectives that make up our global community. Humanities at Compass are for students who are curious and courageous learners who want to learn more about society and people. They won't stop when they come across problems. In fact, they seek out problems and collaborate with their community to find solutions. As well as delving into the many disciplines that make up the humanities, we will use design thinking to expand our understanding by looking into the implications, applications, and philosophies of our knowledge. You might think you know something, but without a thorough understanding of how it works, can you really do anything with it? Humanities can change your mindset, change your way of thinking. You can become aware of bias and steer the focus towards truth. I'm Shamayim, and this is my Compass Humanities class.